Hi, I'm Alina from Polygon Squad. Today we are going to talk about artificial intelligence. You probably heard about ChatGPT. So let's see, can we create a Blender script using ChatGPT? First you have to create an account and log in. Here you can write what you need. So let's write. You can see it think a little bit and explain what you need to do if you need to create a script in Blender. Sometimes it gives network error because so many people use this. So let's try again. Let's copy-paste. And let's run the code. You can see there is an error. So you can type there is an error in the code and where it is. But just for now let's use this one I tested before. Let's type this. I have to change it a little bit. Copy-paste. If you get any errors, you can say it to the AI. Copy-paste the new code. Now you can see it works. So you can use this to create Blender add-ons, Blender script or any similar thing. This is not a tool for Blender, it can do any other programming languages codings too. So I think this is something you should definitely try. So hope you enjoy this video, see you in next video.